Hi there, this is my Canon 5D Mark III full frame DSLR camera. I have owned this for about 14 years. It is very reliable and gives me good quality images. When I bought the camera, I installed this main screen glass protector. It is a product by a company called GGS in China. It also includes a glass protector for the top information LCD. They have worked very well for me. In addition, I added this Sunway Photo PCL 5D Mark III L bracket. The L bracket is very functional and does give it a little bit more protection on the sides. It makes it very easy for me to mount to my Arca Swiss clamps. On this side is my Canon 5D Mark IV full frame DSLR camera. I bought this about 1 week ago. I bought this to add to my 5D Mark III primarily because Canon seems to be discontinuing its production of full-frame DSLR camera bodies. And because the 5D Mark III is old, in case it failed, I wanted another full-frame DSLR camera in order to be able to continue to use with my set of EF lenses. I bought this LARMOR 5th generation glass protector and sunshade hood for the Canon 5D Mark IV. It includes a glass protection for the main rear LCD screen as well as a protection for the top information LCD. And furthermore, it includes a hood that can be attached and removed very easily because it's magnetically mounted. Join me in this video as I unbox this and install it to my Canon 5D Mark IV camera. Let's unbox this. It does have a nice packaging. This is the hood. Remove this. Useful little thing, I think. It looks a reasonable quality. Says the part number CF-3232. What else is here? This is the protector for the main LCD on the rear. This is the protector for the top information LCD. A packet of pre-moistured microfine tissue screen wipe. Says gentle, thorough, safe and quick. Only 10 seconds to make screen clean. An instruction sheet in English and in Chinese. The instruction sheet is well written. That's good. First thing I have to do is clean this rear screen. Get the packet of wipe. There's a line says tear here, so tear. I will need to make sure I keep this clean to use for the top information LCD as well. Gently clean it. Don't use force. Put it back into the packet to keep it clean. I'll look at it at an angle. It looks clean, that's good. Take the main glass protector. It has a label. Says that this is the back. So this is the back that needs to adhere to the camera LCD screen. It says to use this to peel off the film. Ah yes, the film is coming off with it. There we are. Make sure my fingers don't touch the rear. Keep it clean. Turn it around. Looks to me like the black edging needs to sit within the boundaries of the LCD glass. I'm inching it across with my fingernails. Gently. I think I've got it aligned as good as it gets. Now since it's aligned, I'll press from the center out gently, and I can see the seal, the air bubble moves outwards, and it's now, I think, vacuum seal. Very gently, very soft, needs no monstrous pressure. I think that's it. Tapping, it's done. That's good. Now to install the protective film onto the top LCD, use the wipe. Check that it is clean. Yes, it is clean. So here is the small piece, and it doesn't look like it's glass because it can bend. Again, there's a film on it. Obviously the brown film peels off. Align it to the LCD. There's a protective film on the top. I think best if I peel this off as well, so that I can see the edge clearly. I think I've got it aligned correctly. Touch gently from the center outwards to evacuate the air. Very gently, I'm not using a lot of force. There's a bubble here, squeeze it outwards. I'm trying to evacuate the bubbles out completely. It's not that easy because this is a curved surface. I've still got some bubbles there. I don't know if it worries me. Seems very difficult to remove the bubble. I think I'll leave it. I can still see the information. So I think I'll leave with that. That's what it looks like. And so this is the hood, which is easily attach and detach because it has magnets, and this has metal strips on the edge. So to use it, just attach and it's done. Then open it up and there we are. I think this is useful when out in bright daylight, but I would not keep it on all the time and only attach it when I need to use it. That way I don't lose it and it doesn't end up scratching anything. There are 6 features to this glass protection product. First, it is a 0.3mm Japanese optical touchscreen friendly glass. It's high quality. It allows 98% light transmittance. The hardness grade of the glass to provide some level of protection is 9H Mohs hardness. There is a metal border all around and the glass is inlaid. Fifthly, the glass has a nano coating which helps with anti-fingerprints. Sixth and lastly, the glass has a self-adhesive which leaves no residue after removal. And I do like this attachable hood. It is so easy and functional. And it is not heavy. Overall, the product looks good quality. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.